Courts strike out Nnamdi Kanu's fundamental rights suit against the federal government. Good morning, everyone, and thank you for listening to the Daily Brief News this morning. We have here that the Federal High Court strikes out Nnamdi Kanu's fundamental rights suit against the federal government. Well, a lot has been happening concerning this in Nnamdi Kanu's case, and in summary, we have here that on April 10, 2025, Justice Inyang Eko of the Federal High Court in Abuja struck out a 50 billion naira fundamental rights lawsuit filed by Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of the proscribed indigenous people of Biafra (IPOB), against the federal government. The case was dismissed due to lack of delegate vigilant persecution, as Kanu's legal team failed to appear in court on multiple occasions, despite previous adjournments granted for this purpose. Kanu's suit alleged that he was abducted from Kenya and unlawfully renditioned to Nigeria, violating his rights under the African Cat and Human and People's Rights and the Nigerian Extradition Act. He sought to relief, including he sought 11 reliefs, including his release from the custody of the Department of State Services (DSS), a halt to his ongoing prosecution, and 100 million naira in legal costs. The federal government, through the Attorney General of the Federation, contested the suit, arguing it was an abuse of court process, as a similar case had been previously filed in the Federal High Court's Umuahia Division. They contended that this duplication deprived in the Abuja court of jurisdiction over the matter. Justice Eko noted that the absence of Kanu's legal representation, despite multiple adjournments, indicated a lack of diligent prosecution, leading to the dismissal of the case. Well, and that also was in summary of what we have here concerning this early morning's briefing, saying that court strikes out Nnamdi Kanu's fundamental rights suit against the federal government. And this is not the first time that Nnamdi Kanu himself is trying to get something out of the federal government. This is not the first time. Nnamdi Kanu have bring the matter to court concerning the federal government unlawfully renditioning him from Kenya and doing all sorts of bad things to him in the DSS custody. They've brought it to court countless times, and now the court has finally struck out Nnamdi Kanu's fundamental rights suit against federal government. They've permanently strike it out. I mean, for the reason why the court strike it out, I would say maybe the lawyers of Nnamdi Kanu are not actually serious. Yeah, I would say maybe the lawyers of Nnamdi Kanu are not serious. I mean, what's going on here? Nnamdi Kanu has been in jail for a very, very long time. Nnamdi Kanu is fighting for his freedom for almost for over 4 years now. 4 years, going to 4 years now. Do you think it's easy? Yes. Justice Inyang Eko of the Federal High Court, Abuja, have struck out a 50 billion naira suit filed by Nnamdi Kanu against the federal government. Yes. At the hearing, neither Kanu nor the federal government was present in the court. None of them was present. And how do you want to win a court when you're not even present? Like, what is actually going on here? You are the one that filed for this case. Okay, fine. They adjourned it to this particular time, and on this particular day, you're not even there. And Nnamdi Kanu himself, they didn't even come out publicly and say that, okay, fine, this is why I was not around, or this is what happened, or I don't just. It's not as if you are going somewhere. You are in the Department of State Services. What happened? Yes, what happened? Because Kanu had sued the federal government and the Attorney General of the Federation. He sued the defendant over allegation bordering on violation of his rights. Further said that he was kidnapped from Kenya and brought back to Nigeria to stand trial. Yes, he said he wants the court to determine whether the manner in which he was abducted from Kenya and extraordinary rendition to Nigeria is consistent with extant law. Meaning that he wants the court to tell everybody that the way the Nigerian government to carry him from Kenya to Nigeria, is it good? I mean, is this the way it's supposed to have been done? Like, is this the rightful? Is this the way they're supposed to follow? Is this the rule of law? You understand? That is what Nnamdi Kanu wants. They didn't take things legally. They just went there secretly and kidnapped him and brought him back to Nigeria to stand trial. Yes, that is what Nnamdi Kanu is fighting for. You are fighting for something and you are not in court. God, it's very, very funny. Very, very funny. Very, very funny. And not also that, Kanu also asked the court to award the sum of 100 million naira to him as a cost for his action. Yes, and he's also asking the court to remove him from the DSS facility as usual. Yes, but the question that everybody is asking is that why was the lawyers of Nnamdi Kanu not even present in the court hearing. Yes, why? I mean, if you're a president, you guys would have done your thing and maybe win the 50 million or be 50 billion. How much you want to collect from federal government? I mean, it will be better. I mean, yes, now it will be better. Because Justice Eko said that the absence of Kanu's legal representation, no lawyer, despite multiple adjournments, indicated a lack of diligence a lack of diligent prosecution. Yes, they lack diligence. That's just it. I mean, that is the hard truth. The absence of Nnamdi Kanu's lawyer, not even one, is lack of diligence. Let anybody say anything they want to say. It is the truth. It is the truth. The lawyers of the Federal High Court now, they are doing their own part. Now that it's not Binta Nyako that is there, they are doing their own part now. And you who have been in jail for close to 4 years now, to come to court and fight for your own right now is very hard for you, or what? Is that what you're trying to tell the people of Biafra? I mean, is that what you're trying to tell the people of Southeastern Nigeria, that this is what is actually going on here? I mean, nobody expected to be hearing this type of news. Nobody expected it. Nobody expected it. Well, if winning the suit against the federal government is not really what you have in mind, I mean, right now, Nnamdi Kanu has a lot of suits that I mean, a lot of pending court cases on his head. I mean, the main one God save is his release. That is the main one. There's not even this money that if you win you will collect. Because okay, fine. What if he collects this money now and they did not see release him? That's another topic for another day. I mean, that's another topic for another day. But what are we talking about here? What are we talking about here? The lawyers of Nnamdi Kanu should come out publicly and explain to the public why they were not present in the court case. So I mean, we'll have, you understand, to clear all the doubts. To clear the doubt, because right now a lot of people are saying a lot of things concerning the recently adjourned suits. A lot of people are saying a lot of things. The lawyers of Nnamdi Kanu should come out publicly and address this. Then all hands will not be on deck. Everybody's minds will not calm down. Because you cannot just leave us in the middle of the fence. You can't just leave us in the middle of the fence. And I think you understand what I'm trying to say here. What do you guys think actually concerning this issue? What do you guys think? My own point is that Nnamdi Kanu has been in jail going to 4 years now. And anything they are doing, for the fact that Nnamdi Kanu himself said with his own mouth that is going to be released this April, anything that they are doing, they should take it with seriousness. Anything that he and his legal team are doing, they should take it with complete, absolute seriousness. What do you guys think? Drop your comments in the comment section and don't forget to leave a like on this video. Then tap the subscribe button as we go down with the notification bell so that anytime we have a new video, you'll be the first to get notified about it. Once again, thank you for tuning in and have a wonderful day ahead of you.